हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइज, आज हम बात करेंगे JSW स्टील Q2 रिज़ल्ट के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइज, आज हम बात करते हैं JSW स्टील Q2 रिजल्ट्स फॉर पोस्ट लॉस of rupees 848 crore, revenue up 28.5% year on year. Son of size, JSW Steel NSE minus 1.35% on Friday disappointed the street by posting a loss for the quarter ended September. The steel major reported a consolidated net loss of rupees 848 crore against expectations of a profit. Okay, and ET Now poll expected the company to report a net profit of rupees 185 crore in the same period a year ago. JSW Steel had reported a net profit of rupees 7,170 crore. Consolidated net revenue for the quarter rose 28.5% on the year to rupees 41,778 crore. Okay, the company's performance was significantly impacted by a sharp fall in steel prices, inventory losses, and mark-to-market losses amid currency fluctuations. Okay, mark-to-market. Okay, despite the challenging global economic scenario, we expect healthy demand growth in India during the H2 final year 23, which along with a flow through the lower raw material prices should add the company performs in the coming quarter. JSW Steel said in a release the consolidated crude steel output fell 3% sequentially to 5.68 million tons, mainly due to extended maintenance shutdown and should demand in the US, the company said. Okay, However, silver steel sales were 28% higher sequentially at 5.74 million tons on the back of higher domestic sales. The operational performance deteriorated significantly in the quarter due to lower offtake, weak realizations, and higher cost. Consolidated earnings before interest, taxes, depreciations, and amortizations EBITDA consolidated earning before interest, taxes, I repeat, depreciations and amortizations EBITDA nose divide and 83% on year to rupees 1,752 crore. The operating margin shrunk to 4.19% from 32.05% a year ago. JSW Steel highlighted the global risks in the backdrop of recession and like situations in advanced economies such as the US and Europe. Recessions like situations in advanced economies such as the US and Europe. However, as in the tension in Ukraine, as in the COVID restrictions in China, along with growth-oriented policy measures, are potential upsides. COVID restrictions. The company said a global slowdown and monitoring and tightening by developed market central banks could be headwinds to growth. It said the company is positive on the domestic market, given the strong demand trends in the real estate sector and recovery in the automobile sector. So guys, JSW Steel Q2 result firm post loss of rupees 848 crore, revenue up 28.5% year on year. JSW Steel on Friday disappointed the street by posting a loss for the quarter ended September, the steel major reported a consolidated net loss of rupees 848 crore against the expectations of profit and 80 now poll. ओके सो गाइज आज के लिए बस इतना ही। कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए। नमस्कार। बोलो राधे राधे।